Hello everyone, I'm Maria from CANBEST. Today I will give you a short introduction about upgrade product XSC series. This is a new upgrade cabinet. Compared with the previous version, we improve cabinet structure and model design. The cabinet is redesigned to give you more stable installation and more efficiency during setup. We introduce new large size model design for make sure more flat surface after installation. The panel is flexible. You can create the shape easily in 3 seconds. And you can see here the screen with no visible unevenness. We also added a living bar for help to create 0-degree surface. You can see here we added a state model indicator. It will be help in the work conditioner and also help for improve the maintenance efficiency. In the overall, the new generation of XSC series is improve your user experience and flatness and stability. This is the best option for the end rental and stage application.